Alright, I'm going to show you how to do this cool outlined text effect for your Canva graphics. Let's jump into it. Okay, first we're going to do the background, so I'm going to go into elements here on the left and go into shapes, see all. I'm going to select the arch down here at the bottom right, size it to where you want it. I'm going to do about right there. I'm going to leave the color like that just for now until I get my element in here. So you can upload your picture. I'm just going to search fashion model because I'm making this for an Instagram post. So I'm going to scroll down until I see one that I like. This one, this bright blue, will match the pretty blue color palette that I have picked out here. When you get your image, you're going to go up here to the top menu and select BG Remover, Background Remover, and it will take away the background. Then you're going to resize your graphic to where you want it and center it. Let's add the text in. So we're going to go over here on the left hand menu and select text. And then we're going to add a heading. You're going to put your word here. I'm just going to use the word fashion. You can use whatever word you want. And you're going to write the word 4 times on 4 separate lines. We're going to change the font to something bold. I'm going to do this one. Size it up a little. I'm going to uppercase from the top menu here. And I'm also going to fix the spacing. So I'm going to make the spacing smaller. And I'm going to change the text to white. Before I finish the text here, I'm going to color the arch to match the color palette. So over here on the left, the great thing about Canva is it pulls a color palette from your uploads or the images that you're using, which is really helpful. So I'm going to do this dark blue here. And then I'm going to size my text to where I want it. So I'm going to do it really big and bold and in the front. If you're happy with where your text is on your design, you want to select the text and you're going to want to press this duplicate button right here. And you're going to want to take that duplicated layer you just made and drag it over the top until it clicks into place directly on top of the other layer. That top layer selected over here, you're going to go up to this menu and press Effects and then Hollow. Still while making sure it's directly over top your other text here. Make sure your text is selected and select position up here again so you're back into your layer folder. And you're going to drag your cutout that we did earlier, click and drag to between your 2 texts, like so. Then you can select your top text, click Effects again, and you can adjust your line thickness here. I'm gonna do about right there. And that's how you do the text outline effect in Canva. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.